Hello, how are you? I've been out for a walk in the woods and I've been collecting lots of things because I'm going to make a butterfly picture. So everything I've got here I've picked off the ground. I haven't picked anything off the trees because we wouldn't want to hurt them. But I've got some lovely brown beech leaves. I've got a really big sycamore leaf here. Isn't that lovely? I've got some grass because they were cutting the grass near the edge. And look, that's the lichen like we see at Sevenoaks, if you go to Sevenoaks Nature Tots. So first of all I need to clear some ground for making my butterfly. Let's use a stick in case there's any sharp bits. Now butterflies have 4 wings, so I need to make 4 wings, but they also have a body in the middle. So I'm going to use some of these green ones to make my body. Like that. And I can change it if I don't like it, if I change my mind. And at the top of their heads they have their antennae. And I wonder if this will curl round. It will. One. Be nicer with a curlier stick. I might look for one later. And there's another one. And then I think I'm going to use these sticks for the outside of the wings. So the wing goes up there. And up there. And then this can go around the outside. Ooh, nice curvy one to make that wing. And then, what do you think? I think these would be good for the bottom wing. Now, whatever it has on one side, it's going to have on the other. So this one's going to have a pine cone in the middle, if it'll stay still. And so is this side. And then at the top, look. Aren't these lovely bright colours? They're cherry leaves from a cherry tree. There, one cherry leaf there. It isn't curling up. And I'm going to fill the top leaves, top wings, with cherry leaves. What do you think? Does that look colourful? Now these nice green leaves, those would be good for eye spots on the top leaves. Because did you know butterflies often have round spots on their wings? Because then they look like eyes, so that if something wants to eat them, they think that it's the eyes of a big, big creature, so they don't eat them. And whatever I do on one side, I do on the other. Ooh, what about that round one for a head? That would look good. What do you think? Do you think it looks like a butterfly? Have fun making your butterfly. See you soon. Bye.